Hi guys, it's me Norie, and yes, I have glasses on if you didn't notice. If you didn't notice, are you good? But I have glasses on, and I actually usually have contacts in all the time because I'm basically blind. My vision is awful. I can't even see in front of me that well. You don't know how hard it is to put on makeup when you have 10% vision. But yeah, do you guys like the glasses? Vote up there if you like it or not. You can be honest. I personally like it. Let's get right into the video. If you read the title correctly, I am moving to Japan. It's not clickbait. I actually am moving. Mom requesting a video like this, me talking about Japan, and I'm going to move to Japan for college. I'm going to Waseda University, and I'm really excited. I don't know how long I'm going to go there for, maybe like 1.5 years, or maybe 2 years, or maybe the whole time. I don't even know for sure yet. Maybe I might want to transfer. I have no idea, but I'm really excited. I'm leaving in about a week, or I'm leaving on March 20th. And I'm actually not starting my classes until April 1st, but I have to go to the dorms and then do some other stuff. And I have a giant suitcase right here that, let me see if I can lift. Oh my god. Is something in here? Oh god. It's so heavy. I'm getting crushed. My arm, my wrist. Anyways, I'm gonna fit my whole entire life into this suitcase and then maybe some few carry-ons. So I'm gonna really have to limit myself. If you guys want to see like a packing video of me, like what I'm gonna pack for Japan, moving there, make sure to vote up there. Again, I think it's up there. Actually, I think it's up there. I've been wrong this whole time. Where you can take a poll to see if you want to see a video like that. And I'm moving into a dorm, which is really exciting. I'm not gonna have any roommates. I'm gonna have my own room, which is pretty cool, but I do wish I kind of had roommates, but I think it's really nice. So I'm definitely gonna be doing a dorm tour, so get excited for that. And I'm also gonna do a bunch of different Japan videos, and I'm super excited and pumped to make a video like that. But also I'm gonna be doing ones that aren't related to Japan, because as a lot of you guys are interested in like Japan stuff, I know some of you guys are really interested in Japan and stuff, but some of you guys aren't, and that's totally cool. So I'm gonna be doing like normal videos as well as like Japan videos. So yeah, I hope everyone is gonna be pretty pumped. So I graduated last year, 2017, around June, and so I've been at a standstill. I've just been here for like 6 months. I was working at this pizza shop, which I totally love that job so much, but now I just am a free man, free woman, free girl to do whatever, but I am still have to do a bunch of stuff before I leave because it's a different country. Right now, if you didn't know, I'm living in America, California, so it's gonna be a huge difference for me from California to Japan. Like, I've been to Japan almost every single year since I was born, I think. So I do know what it's like, but I don't know what it's like to live there. My brother is in Tokyo, which is awesome, so if I need any help, I can get help from him. And all my relatives, like distant relatives, are at the southern tip of Japan called Kagoshima. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to be even studying. I think something to do with business because I love business, which is pretty basic. I know business is super basic, but I don't know. I feel like it'll be helpful. So yeah, I'll let you know as I go along. This is just super impromptu, and you guys are going to learn or know with me. I speak fluent Japanese and English, and I can read and write Japanese, but I am struggling with kanji. It's so hard to get kanji, like hopefully it gets better, but I'm going through like this international course, or I don't know, full course meal, I don't know, but like my classes are going to be taught in English, but I'm still going to be taking like Japanese and stuff, so hopefully the classes aren't too hard, but I'm super duper excited. And I feel like I keep saying that. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Just comment down below anything you want to know. And yeah, so I think that's about it. Let me tell you some fun facts. Some fun facts is I've been really addicted to coconut recently. I can't get enough of it. Just any coconuts from Thailand, like coconut water, I love it. I've been addicted. I've been drinking like 3 bottles a day of different brands. But yeah, and I've been watching Bachelor, and I think that's it. My life is not crazy interesting right now. So yeah, I think that's about it. Make sure to leave a like if you like this video, comment down below anything you want, any questions, and make sure to subscribe down below because I post weekly, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at SimpleBeautXX, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.